I'm upset today. I'm so upset right now. I can't barely talk. I can't barely think. And we're having a little run right now at the boot. Okay, let's watch some shit. Let's watch it, because I'm sitting here having a text battle with a friend of mine. Just battling it out. Just battling. Talking about the WSB. Talking about the Reddit thread. We're talking about the bullshit game that was played. We're talking about how some people think it's criminal to apparently play the Wall Street game that's been being played on us for decades, for fucking decades. Wall Street people, and I'm using that term loosely, have been taking advantage of our goodwill in America for quite some time. I'm sick of it, guys. I've been in for a little while, by the way. I've been in since this run started. I posted it on my what the fuck do you call it? The stupid thing that people get paid on, where you have like supporters and they go on there and they pay you $5 a month. I thought it would be interesting if I did that instead. Now on my Discord, I am posting things that I'm noticing, but I'm not trying to talk too much about getting in and getting out. But I am posting my ins and my outs. And it's actually probably getting close to that time. I'm having a text battle. You got to be careful, guys. Look, when you say you bought in, what do you mean? You bought in to Ethereum, or you bought into this whole AMC, BlackBerry, GameStop, Bed Bath & Beyond, Nokia, and all the other ones? Which one are you talking about? Because that's what I'm talking about right now. I can't fucking think straight. I cannot think straight. I'm having a meltdown. I can't even think. I'm really having a fucking meltdown. People, this show is not for children. If you as a child, leave now, please. Thank you. You got to be careful, man. Look, I kind of did too, and I made like $800 in 2 hours on like $2,500 bucks. $2,500 got me $800 in like 2 hours. Okay, and I was like, fuck. No, what happened was I put in 1,000. Okay, and then it turned into 1,500 in like an hour, and I was like, what the fuck? What the fuck? And then I put in another 1,500 or whatever it was, and then that turned in like, and it just exploded, and I was like, holy shit. I was like, holy shit, guys. I was like, this is blowing up. Like, I made nearly $1,000 in like half a day, and I was like, holy shit, that's awesome. That's fucking awesome. We're having a nice little run. By the way, you might notice I'm using the Heiken Aishi here. I do like a Heiken Aishi, actually. I'm actually really starting to dig it. You guys should check this out. There's a couple of really cool videos on it. This is a really strongly defined way to approach dealing. So, like with other candles, there's a lot of artistic ways to interpret candles and things, but the Heiken Aishi actually has a lot of really set rules for investment strategies. Like, okay, like if you have a certain candle, then you have to do this, or if you have like a certain crossover, you have to do this, and it's just like set rules, and it's really nice. Yeah, Chrome, I should have called it in the Discord. I should have. You know what I did do? I called it in the Patreon. I called it in the Patreon. So if you want to see, I have a post here where I said I bought in for $12.42. So that was a good buy at $12.42. At $7.44, I said at $7.44 I bought in at $12.42 on my Patreon. So I can't get those away for free anymore. I've done them 2 and 3 times a day for the last 3 weeks. I've been giving away some really amazing exact moments, and I feel like I can talk about them in Discord, and I will, but I'm gonna actually I'll talk about good trends and crossovers and things like that, but my buy-ins and my sells. Look at my boy here. Oh man, love you. Yeah, 12:42. That's when I got in. Right. You can see there.
Are you kidding me? Don't get in that.
Wherever this was, I don't know. Man, what a fucking run we're on. Holy shit balls. Some of you said you would support my efforts. I would love to put on this comedy show. I would love to make a fucking joke right now for everybody. I'm getting hot. Baby! What's up?
I need to go to bed.
Oh, you need to go to bed? Come on. Get a kiss from Daddy. Come on.
I need to go.
Oh, that's my girl. That's my girl. Love you. Get the out of here. I need to get a beer. Look, we are on a little bit of a run here. I hate Robinhood. I think I'm going to abandon Robinhood. I'm getting pissed about it. I'm getting pissed about Robinhood. It's cheating me. It's been delayed. It's been behind. I've had Robinhood between $6 and $10 behind what I'm seeing on Coinbase and TradingView a number of times in the last 24 hours. And where I'm watching it on TradingBase and CoinView, and I make a quick trade on Robinhood just to look that I bought it for $10 more than what it's showing online, and I'm like, what the fuck? In fact, I bought it for $10 more at one point, and it never showed that on any other exchanges. That price wasn't even on their charts at the time. And I was like, how am I buying it? Look at us fucking go, boys. Let's go. You guys can't see it. You can barely see it. The fun one is on the bottom. Let's watch that one. Yeah. I need to make this better looking for everybody. This is just gross. It's just gross. Yeah, I'm basically overpaying and underpaying by 2% nonstop. Why wouldn't I just pay the 1.5% fee and get the better service? And besides, I can't deal with not having a stop loss. Uh-oh, we're slowing down a little bit. That might have been the top of it, guys. Let's be careful here. Let's be careful here. Elon Musk is making AMC and GameStop huge after this Discord comment. What's a fee? Yeah, it's not a fee. They're not charging fees. I think they're just... What's that program do? What program? What program? Look at that. Run, boys. Jesus. What are we slowing down for? Don't fuck around. Do not fuck around. Stop that right fucking now. There's a thing called fees, but what it said was, I think the clarification that they had on their website said something along the lines of, put a limit order if you want it to go for exactly what you want to sell it for. Otherwise, don't complain. Or something along those lines. Jesus fuck, I keep grabbing the fucking wrong thing. Hold on a second. I'm trying to grab this guy. God almighty. I'm still not over the AMC Nokia thing. We gotta get through that in a minute. This is a hidden fee in the user agreement for crypto only. Shut the fuck up. You know what? To be honest, Mr. Yoshi, I always thought to myself, isn't in the blockchain it impossible to buy and sell crypto without some kind of fee? Isn't that like the definition of the blockchain in first fucking place? Is that there has to be a charge if you're trading crypto? Like you can't even move crypto from a wallet to another wallet without paying a fee. So how are you buying and selling it without paying a fee? I figured as much. Is that fee built into the 1.5% Coinbase charges, or do they charge on top of the 1.5%? Do you know that one? Do you? So I'm a little concerned about this top real quick here. If you look pretty quickly, we don't have a lot of, like, everything's been really fast turns for a long time. Fast. Okay, every turn has been really fast. So as soon as I see a turn, I'm starting to wonder. Starting to wonder. Ethereum. Look at this. I don't have any signs for selling though. I don't have any sell signs. Oh, there's a 3-minute sell sign. This is just like this one, maybe. I'll sell and buy back in if I have to. Yeah, if things don't turn around in the next 5 minutes, it's going to be sell time for me. I'm going to be making faster trades. It's too volatile to try and stick it out. If I trade, I'm going to buy here, I'm going to sell here. Buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. I'm not trying to fuck around and lose 10% every time I'm trying to stick it out. Because then you do this, then you do this, then you do this. Like, oh, look it, we're on our way. No. You know? We're on our way. No. We're on our way. No. We're on our way. No. I'm done with that shit. All right. I will buy and sell as quickly as I need to. I'll take 5-10% every time. There's no point in me sticking around and losing money for free. I don't have to do that. I could sell right now and be in profit. And I will. $12.73. Selling for $12.73. That's a nice little run. If it goes back up, I'll get back in if I have to. Nick Nutty, welcome back. Zulu, Elite Store. Grizzly. Dude, I'm jumping in and out. Like, I am playing that game. I'm not hodling at all. I'm no hodl. Although, I just traded against my better interest. Right here, this Heiken Ashi that I'm loving. The Heiken Ashi is so reliable right now. I'm loving it. I'm really loving it. I'll trade on it all day for benefit. Well, you can. That's fine, and this could possibly be a legitimate. But like I said earlier, like we're just having these up and down spikes. Once we hit any kind of head, it doesn't turn around. Like lately, it doesn't turn around. Look at these spikes. You don't see like spike, 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 spikety, 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 spike, and here's a spike. There's no coming back from this. There's no other situation in the last 48 hours where we all of a sudden decided to come back again after hitting a top. There's been no situations like that. Like this is the biggest one. This is like this right here. So we've already come down. We've already come down $8. Like you could have sold right here when this spike happened. You could have got out, saved yourself an $8 drop, got back in. If it turns around right now, you could have still got back in, you know. But like you could have saved yourself $10 a share just then. Even I tried to sell at $12.80 and Robinhood fucked me hard. And in the end, I only got out for $12.73, which is here. Oh my God! Can you believe it? On Robinhood, you make a trade here, and then you get out here. You fucker. Yes, that's what I did. So to put the Heikin-Ashi candles on, you go up to your technical indicators at the top, and then no, wrong. Do not listen to that. Stop. Right click on it, go down to properties, hit properties, go to style, and you have all these different, you have baseline, area, line, Heikin-Ashi, hollow candles, candles, and bars. This is where you can select it. Now Heikin-Ashi is really cool because it has very specific rules for what's green, what's red, their wicks, moving averages, and what, like when to buy on crosses. There's a really cool video on it. Let me see if I can't find it real quick. I'll try and show you guys. I'm not going to play it, of course, because if I play anybody else's videos on my video, then I just get fucking fucked. This video is not for children, people. Can I get a like and a subscribe if you hate money and bad jokes? I like watching videos of, you know, I'm not going to say that. I was going to say something, but then I was like, what if one of my friends or family is watching? And then I was like, sometimes I got to think about, you know, incriminating myself. I'm like, how shitty do I want to get before I'm worried about whether or not friends, family, or coworkers end up ever seeing me? And then they're like, holy shit, look at this foul-mouthed whatever, so-and-so. Give me a second. Don't see properties. Right click right on your fucking graph. Go, like, look at your graph on Binance or whatever. Right click, go to properties. There should be like when you right click right on your graph, there should be like a long list. Properties should be at the bottom. Do you see it? That baby still screaming like a freaking psychopath. Okay, here we go. Here we go. It's called Most Effective Heikin-Ashi Strategies for Scalping and Day Trading. Ultimate Heikin-Ashi Guide by The Secret Mindset. Go watch that. It's an awesome video. And then you won't have to watch me anymore. And then you just like stop fucking watching me. You stop watching BitBoy if you're lucky. I wouldn't stop watching BitBoy. His material is good, you know. Especially the material where he does like pre-recorded educational pieces. Those are good. So, dude. All right. I need a beer then. Let's do this. Like, I need a beer right now anyway. After today, I wanted to talk about more. I wanted to talk more about the AMC thing. We are red dot on the 5. We're not red dot on the 15 yet. Let me see how overextended we are on the Heikinashi, which was loving this. So in the Heikinashi, we have consolidation. That's what we've basically entered consolidation. And guys, if you want to see something interesting, look at this little trendy trend that I've been drawing here. We're about to break in a certain direction. Now, you know what? You know how I feel about consolidations. Basically, you wind up tight, and then you either break up or you break down. And it's going to happen in the next so many hours. And the problem with that is, did we just, what was that? What did we just get? Did we just get a greenie? The problem with this is that we're consolidating into a moment of conformational change, and the problem with that is that it's happening. It's going to happen late at night, and we are like 4 for 5 on conformational changes happening in the middle of the night, and they break down. We're like 4 for 5 on that, so I'm not feeling good about that one. Just FYI. Inverse head and shoulders. Let's look. I didn't notice. People were calling a W earlier. This is crazy though. You never like. This is like the quintessential W. It was awesome. I thought we were gonna blast off here, and like 1, 2, 3, 4. If you're feeling bullish, that's a blast off. But we were like, no, let's just do another W. Why not? Another W. Okay, who's got money in Nokia today? Like who all of a sudden thinks Nokia is a good investment? I did put a little bit into Nokia. Let me see. And I regret it. I really regret it, and I'll tell you why. The fucking establishment did not appreciate Wall Street bets inciting investment in a way that would bankrupt funds that were shorting businesses. Okay, there were funds, large ones, that were shorting like a plethora of American companies like Bed Bath & Beyond, GameStop, whatever. They were shorting shit on them. And basically what that means is they're betting on them failing by playing Wall Street tricks, borrowing shares and not actually paying for them, and not actually having to pay for them until they get bought. But if the price goes up, they lose. But if the price goes down, then they make money. And they're playing fucking gambling games with American economy, which is fine. But when the American people throw $1 billion at GameStop and it causes the price to go up 100-fold and the bankers start getting fucked, then the whole program stops. The whole fucking program stops. You know what happens? Exchanges stop trading. TD Ameritrade stops trading. Robinhood stops trading. Everybody stops trading. Oh, wait a minute. I wouldn't rush it, guys. Here's the problem. It was awesome for the last month. If you'd gotten in it for the last month, that would have been sweet. But today, the fucking day that I get into it, is the day that they fucking come down on these motherfuckers. The day that I learn about it, and the day that I go hard on BlackBerry, AMC, Nokia, and everybody else, is the same fucking day that after a whole month or two of this happening, they decide to shut the whole program down. Traders, now trading exchanges are not going to allow trading. They're going to fuck you It's possible that we break through it, but it's also possible that they fuck you so hard that money shoots out of your mouth and into their wallets. Okay? Because that's what they want. They would kill you for money. They would do it in a second. They would do it in a motherfucking second. They would kill you for your money. I couldn't even buy AMC on Robinhood. I tried. I was like, all right, I'll take $1,000 at AMC when it was hyped. When it went from like, I don't know, $8 to $18 in a few hours, or whatever it was, and I was trying to buy. I was like, give me 1,000, give me 1,000, give me 1,000. Nope. Every time it kept getting rejected. I was like, you fuckers, you straight fuckers. And then we're still on red dots. How's it hiking as she look? Yeah, hiking as she's not looking good. Baby's fucking crying. Wife does not give a fuck about what I'm doing, apparently. I'm gonna have to take the ass whooping stick. Where'd it go? Oh man, she got rid of it. She's lucky. Man, those 15-minute Heiken-Ashi candles look nice as fuck. What are we doing out? Why are we out? Why don't I have a green buy dot or anything? We're frozen at 1270. We've been frozen at 1270 all fucking 20 minutes now. What the hell? Just sit at 1271 like a fucking idiot. That's what you should do. I don't like this. This trend is not attractive. I don't know what to say. Like, if the people are allowed to continue doing what they want to do, then the prices will be pushed. If whoever's in control, like, of this country, whoever's the fucking masters behind the strings and shit, somehow fucking fucks all these people who want to make a dollar by fucking over Wall Street bankers' bad bets. Wall Street bankers made bets, and we decided, there was like 2 million people in this fucking group that decided collectively, we're gonna bet against you and you're gonna lose. And those people have such control over our fucking structure, our fucking government, our fucking banking structures, all of our power structures. They stopped us from doing that. Stopped us. It does look like it wants to. This looks like it wants to keep going, doesn't it? It's been sitting. It's like fighting its fucking balls off right here. It's like, please, like maybe here. I mean, still, even if this happens, like, ugh, There are no peaks where we went like this and then shot up again. There's no peak like that, no peak like that. I mean, not really. There's no peaks like that. Maybe here, but like this happened. Oh, we got a green buy. Oh, really? What's the 5 minute look like? We got a 15-minute green buy. How's the Heiken-Ashi look? No bueno. No fucking bueno. Heiken-Ashi looks like shit. Alright, this is a good time to test the Heiken-Ashi versus the green buy dot. The 15-minute green buy dot. Let's see who is the better player here. I'm not going to jump in, but I want to see. Why Ethereum will crush Polkadot in 2021? Can Cardano even compete? BitBoy is talking. No! Can't play sound. Sorry about that. Can't buy. Cardano is not supported by Coinbase. Yeah, I fucking know it. Boop. The 13 bloodlines? What are the 13 bloodlines? Tell me about the 13 bloodlines, Willy Wonka. That's what I want to know about. Guys, go and join the Discord. Can I get some Chrome? Can I get some posts? I had a guy, I don't know if he's a friend, he's a neighbor, and we are friendly. I don't know if you'd call that person a friend or not, but maybe. Anyway, he gets on my case about posting about how I'm not a fan of censorship of every single group. And this is not just like, okay, it's not just like, okay, Facebook owns Facebook. Okay, they're a private company. You don't have any right to be on Facebook. You have no right to be on Facebook. If they allow you to be on Facebook, then it is their right to decide whether or not to kick you off Facebook, censor you, or anything else. You have no right to be on Facebook at all, in any way. Okay, I understand that, and that's fine. But they, and they being the people in power, have taken away the Americans' rights to speak to each other. And that is built into our Constitution. The right to assembly is built into our Constitution. We no longer have the right to assembly because what happens is, and if Americans decide to assemble on the internet and speak to each other on a platform that allows them to connect with each other, that platform can be shut down by the government if they feel like they don't like what's being said. I'm not necessarily talking about that Trump website, whatever that was called. I don't even know. I don't care. I don't really support what happened there or those people. But I do support the right to assemble and have a place to speak on the internet. The subreddit that was discussing the Wall Street bets thing got shut down. Fucking shut down. They shut down a subreddit because they didn't like what was happening. That's fucked up. That's fucked up. The Heikinashi is not looking attractive. I don't know. I don't even know how we're getting an upward trend here with a Heikinashi being so ugly right now. What's a 5-minute look like? Still bad. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not confident about this. I'm out still. Still out on that. Plus, guys, check it out. We fucking hit this resistance line. I fucking drew this. I don't know when I drew this. It's been a while, but if you were on my Discord, you could see I had pictures of this earlier today, and sure enough, we fucking hit it, which is right around the time I thought we would. So it's another reason why I decided to bail out when it looked suspicious right here. The problem is, again, as we float down and we get towards a point of real confirmational change, and at the end of this consolidation, we're going to be landing in the middle of the night, which is the worst time. The worst time. Like, we have a battle. Someone's going to win the battle. And guess who wins the battle in the middle of the night? Bears always win the battle in the middle of the night. Okay? Parler. Yeah, I know it wasn't a Trump website. I know it wasn't. But it was a place for people to speak freely. Whether or not, whatever they were speaking about, I don't know and I don't care. I mean, I've heard things, and I didn't personally ever go on there. But I heard it was the place where, they decided to organize together to go to the Capitol. I am not against the idea of organizing and going to the Capitol. I'm not sure at what point we think it's okay to cause violence. But the idea that we can regulate that speech and that gathering of people and the gathering of speaking is a slippery slope. because we could say, oh, those people, yeah, it's okay to censor them. They were talking about things we think is obviously inappropriate. And then, oh, but this group over here, they're okay. And this group, they're not okay. And then now we get to decide who is and who is not okay to speak. And that is the opposite of what this country was founded on. This country was founded on the idea of freedom of speech and to stop the government from censoring and stopping people from getting together, because that was been a major mode of control for centuries, for generations, for thousands of years. Governments and those in powers have been controlling the masses by preventing them from gathering together and raising themselves up through the power of the masses. The masses have all the fucking power. If they weren't so stupid, if the masses weren't so fucking stupid, and they are stupid. They are. The average person is fucking stupid, okay? The person is stupid. People are stupid. I've met them. I've met them. Let's go up. What the fuck? What's happening? We're watching what's happening, bro. We're watching what's happening. I'm not very pumped right now, but this is a nice little turn on the 3. I'm not trying to make decisions on what happens on the 3. On the 15, we're actually still looking very attractive. Yeah. I don't know. I'm not feeling very good about it still. I mean, we got a little bit. This isn't a huge obvious buy. This is not an obvious buy whatsoever. Right now I'm trying to buy obvious buys, go in for a few thousand, try and make $100, bail, go in for a few thousand, make $100, bail, whatever it is. I don't know. Just nothing too risky in this way. Like, this is, when I got in here, like all the signs were so obvious, but here is not as obvious at the moment. I'm still thinking. 9:38. God damn it. I really need to work more. I'm such a fucking lazy when it comes to doing my actual job sometimes, I swear to God. I'm going to have to wake up early in the morning and actually fucking work, for once. You ever feel like you slacked off for so long that you were like, shit, I actually got to work my fucking ass off tomorrow or today? Really? Oh shit. I'll be right back. Somebody fell down. I'm having such a bad day. I'm having such a bad fucking day. The baby climbs up on a couch, falls off hard. Motherfucker. Yeah, babies fall a lot. He's in a stage where he's like just learning how to fucking walk, and every time he starts walking, he'll like fall and bash into something, and it's like all day long. It's like a heart attack for me. All right, Chris. Thanks for joining that Discord, brother. Yeah, Henry. And that was another thing. Like, Trump said some stupid shit. That guy sometimes just says stuff just to rile people up. Sometimes he says stuff because he follows conspiracy theorists. And he actually really loves conspiracy theorists and follows them, like Alex Jones and a number of other people. And he tweets something, just whatever he feels like. He doesn't even think, you know, hey, I maybe shouldn't treat this because I'm the president or whatever. If he thinks it and he's thinking about it, he'll tweet it. And that's, but then they took him off of social platforms. They silenced him. And I just don't know if I like that idea. I'm not a fan of the things he says, but I don't like the idea of censoring someone because you don't like the things that they say. 51% of this country doesn't like the things that he says. But does 51% of this country have the right to silence 49% of this country? They almost got a fucking uprising on their hands because of that kind of attitude. They almost got a fucking uprising on their hands because of that. Idiots. We got a green buy dot on the 5. We're still on the same buy dot on the 15. We got a buy dot on the 30. On the 45 even. That's crazy. On the 1 hour. Gee, that's a good run. You're making me want to get back into betting here. Making me want to bet some more monies. I'm going to wait another moment until it's too late, and then it's like, fuck. That's what I'm going to wait for. I'm going to wait for the moment where I'm like, fuck, it's too late. That'll be the moment that I wait for. That'll be a good time to wait for. Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. And then they waited until the end of his presidency to take an effort to silence him. Like, oh, now you guys are tough, huh? Oh, now the tough media is really standing up to him now that he's no longer president. Oh my god. A 2 hour. We just got the 2 hour just now? No shit. That's actually legit. We're actually calling for a run, huh? Are we calling for a big ass run right now? I mean, you can see what happened here. Shit happened on the last 2 hour green dot. Shit. Nokia. Okay, so there was a group of like 2 million. Okay, yeah, I'm going to buy back in real quick. What do we got here? Let me see. I'm getting in for... The fuck? $12.77. All right, in for $12.77. Posted on my Patreon. Post it on stream. If you're watching me live, fuck it. 1277. In for 1277. Look at 1277 isn't even the price. Why am I paying 1277 on fucking Robinhood? God damn it. Unfucking real. I don't have any Patreons yet. I know I just made this thing, asshole. Stop fucking talking shit. Oh yeah, go red. Go fucking red. Do it now. Do it right fucking now. I fucking dare you. Resurrect, what up? AMC and GameStop. Yes, I tried to buy AMC like 20 times today and I couldn't because it was being blocked by the fucking man. The institutional power of fuckfaces who does not want regular people like me to get rich, which is what I want. That's what I fucking want. I need it. I feel like I'm destined to be rich like everybody else. Does everybody else feel like they're destined to get rich, or am I fucking crazy? Is it just me? I feel like I'm taking crazy pills. I feel like I'm taking fucking crazy pills. What am I doing? I should literally be fucking around with like $100,000, making 10 grand a month for not working. That's what I should be doing. I want 10. I mean, this doesn't work. This is fun. Yeah. What I'm saying is, I got into BlackBerry for $2,600. Now I can't even sell it. Can't even fucking sell it. I got it on TD Ameritrade. TD Ameritrade has suspended all activity on BlackBerry. The price has actually recovered a little bit since last time I looked at it. It really plummeted. It plummeted like a motherfucker. It fell down to like $16, but now it shot the fuck back up. Wow. You want to play that game? You want to play that? You know what happened? AOC. What's that one senator? Andrea or something Cortez, whatever the fuck her name is. She started tweeting, "Wealth simple is better. This is the beginning." 1270. God damn it. How are you going to trick me? How in the fuck are you going to trick me? The 2-hour dot? How are we going to fuck up a 2-hour dot? That's what I want to know. You better fucking run. I swear to God. Stop. Dude, if I was a billionaire whale and I was playing the ups and downs on this, okay, let's say I had $1 million. If I had $1 million, I would have made if I was investing with $1 million, I would have made $300,000 in the last 10 days. If I was investing with $1 million, I would have made $300,000 in the last 10 days. Are you slow? Am I slow? Yeah, I guess. I'm feeling slow. I'm feeling stupid as a motherfucker because I can't get anything right these days. Go down. Go fucking plummet down. That's what I want you to do. Oh, you're saying that they're losing money to the AMC GameStop deal. Yeah. Guess who's going to win in a fight between the regular guy and the billionaire hedge funders? Guess who's going to win that fight? I want you to take one fucking guess. Who's going to win? Is it the common man or the billionaire hedge funders that control the whole country? Guess who's going to win? You tell me. I don't know. I'm just probably not me, as usual. Probably not fucking me. God damn it. Creep. You goddamn creep. This is why I was skeptical about it. Then we got the 2-hour dot, and I was like, we don't even have a 5-minute fucking. How can you miss out on a 2-hour dot? That's what I'm saying. Who's stupid enough not to buy a 2-hour dot? We got a brand new, fresh 2-hour dot right here. If you don't buy that, like, what the fuck? The Americans United are strongest in the world. I don't give. Yeah. The Americans. What make the strength of Americans is in the economy of America, and that economy is controlled by a certain group, and it's not you. It's not me either. So. It's not me. It's certainly not me. I don't fucking control a goddamn thing. We can topple our own government. Yeah, okay. Let me tell you something. You think there's anything you could do? If there was something that we could have done, we would have done it a long time ago. Dude, the fucking billionaire class, the top 0.1%, they own 90% of all of our wealth. We have 99.5% of 300 million people that have practically nothing. They're fucking sheep. 99 point whatever percent of 300 million people. They're so stupid. You know what happens when the masses together rise up and take all the wealth and the power? You have what the fuck is it called? Uh-oh. I hope the mic didn't catch that. What were we talking about? I forget what I was saying. Holy shit, you hit one thing and you just forget everything you were fucking saying. Coming with all this talk, so what? I was wrong, fix up. Trying to start problems on a live stream. Raj, are you talking about me? Who? What are you talking about, Raja? Who's trying to start problems? Am I trying to start problems? Should I stop? Should I shut up? Should I be shutting up? Is that what's... Am I being stupid? I'm probably being stupid. Look. Okay, good. Thank you. I was about to say, I can talk politics with people and be friends with them. Like, I don't have to agree with you to be friends with you. Like, you can have one point of view and I can have another. And some people just don't know how to have a conversation without getting personally hurt and offended. And they cannot reconcile their feelings and deal with a conversation with another adult because their feelings are hurt so bad. I just don't like... I don't think that is good. I don't think that's a smart way to go about it, I guess I would say. I don't think that's a smart way to have a good conversation and learn from each other. Jesus. I can't handle my beer. I just keep burping like a fucking psychopath here. Yeah, Arctic Cat. See, that's what I'm saying, man. I love having a conversation with somebody that, like, it was almost like a fight. You ever been in a fight with somebody and then you were friends after? It's almost like that. It's very weird. It's like a better friendship than you could ever make. If you're friends with somebody after you've been in a fight with them, like, that's like the strongest friend that you can make. It's very weird. Oh my god, I gotta stop. I take a couple of drinks of the saucy bibbly bubbly and then I'll tell you what, who took a fucking hit on their stocks today? Jesus Christ. The stock market fucking crashed. Nobody's gonna talk about that? We're all talking about GameStop and every other fucking thing, and we all forgot that the stock market crashed today. Dude, I lost 6%. 6% in a day. What the fuck? I'm on mute. I'm on mute. Who's on mute? Am I on mute? I didn't mute myself. Can everybody hear me? Hello? Am I talking to myself? Am I talking to myself? 600 points plus today. Yeah. So anyway, I made like I made like I was saying $800 on on BlackBerry in a few hours, and I was like, holy shit, 800 fucking bucks in a few hours. I'm like, I'm quitting my job. But anyway, no, I wouldn't really. I make good money. Look, then it dropped 400 bucks or 500 bucks immediately after that. I was like, oh fuck. And then I was thinking to myself, I made like 300, 400 bucks after it was all said and done, and I still felt shitty. I was like, oh man, to make 600, 700, 800 bucks and then to drop and lose down and only make 300 like feels like a loss, even though you made $300, right? So anyway, then I went to sell it and I couldn't sell it because those exchanges stopped letting people sell it, and I was like, oh fuck, now I can't sell it. So then I was like, all right, whatever, I'll just hold it until the morning. Guess what happens after that? Immediately after that, the price goes from 28, 27, 26, 20, all the way down to 16. I lost nearly 50% of the fucking $2,600 in the course of like 3 hours. And I was like, I can't sell it. I can't fucking sell it. It won't let you because the exchanges are blocking everyone from selling it. I don't know how the price is going down while no one's able to actually fucking sell this stuff. But anyway, it was going down. It went down, went way fucking down. Then I guess something happened. Something fucking happened where everybody rallied and we were like, nah, fuck this shit. We're gonna shoot that price back up. You can eat a dick, right? And then now the price is back up to 25 bucks. So I'm feeling really fucking good about that one. Yes, so Willy Wonka. I feel like I'm about to get my account suspended because of accidental, some accidental stuff that I did today with that. Yeah. Just FYI. So probably going to be moving to Weeble, get my money out of Robinhood, do what I got to do. Hold on a second. Are you sure you want to cancel this order? Yeah, I want to fucking cancel the order. So I put in an order to sell my BlackBerry because it was fucking plummeting, but now I don't have to. So what I'll do is I'll actually put in a stop order 10% below a trailing stop order. Guys, check this out. I want to tell you something. If you go to sell and you go to and it's not on it's on Robinhood, it's on most apps, but it's not on Ethereum on Robinhood, which is interesting. You go to trailing stop percentage, and what that does is as long as it's going up, it'll let it go up, but as soon as it hits a peak, if it ever comes down 10%, it sells. So no matter what, worst case scenario, you only ever lose 10%, but it's as it goes up, if it ever like tops out and then comes down 10%, it triggers a sell. So do the trailing stop percentage. I'm gonna do a trailing stop percentage of 5% on my BlackBerry shares. Ethereum will never be this cheap. Yeah, you tell people that yesterday when we were like hard way on our way to 11 under like sub 1200. Jack, I'm a little bit skeptical. I was really skeptical until we hit a 2-hour green dot. I don't even know what to fucking say about a 2-hour green dot. Usually I get really bullish when I see it. Oh my God, I haven't been watching the Heikinashi. And it was, it's been fucking terrible. Okay, it's recovering for a second. Let me see. I'm going to get off the 3 minute. Why do I have it on the 3 minute? Oh, it was terrible on the 5 minute as well. Jesus Christ. It just bounces around like a goddamn psycho. That's why you can't watch the 5 minute either. Okay. Oh, and that looks like shit too, guys. God damn it. And we still got a 2-hour button? I just don't know. I can't ignore a 2-hour button. Can I ignore a 2-hour button? Who ignores a 2-hour button? You gotta be pretty fucked up to ignore a 2-hour button. I got to play this out. There is no situation where a 2-hour button does not overcome. A 2-hour button is always good. Yeah, what the fuck? I have to stay in for this. I have to. This is crazy. Yeah, so what had happened was I fucking messed up my day trading on regular stocks a number of times on Robinhood. Like I accidentally sold Coca-Cola, and I thought that I had sold all my shares on Coca-Cola, but there were still shares on my account, and I thought that they hadn't sold, and that I accidentally placed a limit order, and that I actually needed to place a market order just to get rid of them. And then I used a market order. I basically used a market order to sell the shares that were left, but I actually did sell the other ones, but there was some left on my account. I didn't realize that they had separated. So I had like done multiple buys and sells of Coca-Cola, and BlackBerry, and then I couldn't even sell my Nokia. So I couldn't even sell my Nokia or my AMC. And I actually was allowed to buy AMC at one point. I was allowed to buy $100 worth, and I have it still, but I couldn't buy $1,000 worth. So that was strange. I got 105 BlackBerry. Let's see. Add to position, reduce position. Sell, trailing stop, shares 105. If stop percentage, trailing stop percentage goes 4%. 4%. Expires GTC. Review order. Place it. It's about to explode, as I was saying earlier. Okay, so my trend line was expecting it to turn down here, and it is fucking turning down here. And I wouldn't have bet money. I wouldn't have put money on this in 100 years. And then we got a 2-hour fucking dot. We got a 2-hour buy dot, and I'm like so bullish on a 2-hour buy dot. It's not even funny. I did buy a few thousand worth, but I'm feeling terrible about it. I'm feeling terrible about it. That's a risky, guys. Depending on your risk tolerance, this may or may, like, if your risk tolerance is really high, then this might be a fun time to bet in. If it's not super high and you don't mind losing $100 or hundreds of dollars at the drop of a hat, then just don't do this. I'll gain hundreds of dollars and lose hundreds of dollars frequently throughout the day. It's really fucked up. It's really fucked up. Some people say that this is a great time to get in, and that Ethereum is #1 on the fucking pack and is on its way to just continue to skyrocket and this, that, and the other thing. So Reddit just partnered with Ethereum. Ooh, Crypto Man 5000, welcome. Drog 96. Yeah? Sell me on Chainlink. Let me see. I was looking at Chainlink just today. Why didn't I buy it? Can I go on my Binance account without or my Coinbase account without everyone seeing everything? I don't use Coinbase to buy stuff. So look at my portfolio balance, everybody. Oh, it's blocked. $2. That's what happens when you try to sell everything in your account and you fail. Let me see here. Buy Chainlink. I think I looked at Chainlink. No, let's look at it first, huh? There she blows. $22.01 down $1.61. Broke even on the week. Up just only 81% for the month. Holy shit. That's a nice little run for the month. It's actually down a little bit. I mean, it's down from the all-time high anyway. Drog 96. We were just talking about that earlier, which is we just think that Robinhood bakes it in a little bit. Robinhood banks it in, dude. Like I'll trade there, and then my end up like my price per Ethereum cost on that ends up being higher than what's even possible on Coinbase by $10 a share. And I'm like, oh, dude, I should have just paid it 1.5% on Coinbase and bought the thing at the same exact moment at a 1.5% fee, and then bought it for $10 cheaper. What are we looking at? Go, baby, 1278. We really need to get through that 1280 line. Let's get through that 1280 line, baby. Mm-hmm. 15-minute Heiken Ashi looks been really improved. This has been a really nice 10 minutes here. Really fucking nice 10 minutes. Can't buy DOT in America or ADA. Look at what happens when I go here. Where is it? Here, Cardano. Click it. Cardano is not supported by Coinbase. If you go on Binance in America, you cannot access the international version of Binance. You can only access the American version of Binance, and they will not sell you those things either. And I'm not really trying to use a VPN to trick anybody into thinking I'm outside of this country, because I think there's some legality issues with that. Ukraine gonna try XLM as its crypto or something? I might read the story wrong, but I own it. Oh yeah, so yeah, there's some really cool rumors around that like countries are gonna start developing their own crypto and like back it with their own money or whatever. America and China and what else? Oh, Christians, they're gonna make their own coin apparently, and I will buy into that coin. That would be, I think if they did a coin, I think it would be very successful. Christians are very what's the word, loyal. Christians are very loyal, and loyalty is important to the price of a thing. I mean, we got a lot of good signs here. This is okay. This is still okay. This looks like it's topping out, but it's okay. It's okay. Oh, yeah. We still got the 3-minute buy. We got a 5-minute buy, 15-minute buy. We got buys across the board, guys. Why are we not in it to win it? We got to be. If we're not, that would be. We're just ignoring everything that the algorithms are telling us. Everything that all of the algorithms are telling us. To ignore everything that all the algorithms tell us would be stupid. I just got a volatility alert email from Robinhood. Is that because you own AMC? You want to know what fucking volatility is? I'll give you some volatility. I lost between 3 and 6% on every stock that I own in my Roth IRA. I lost $1,000, I guess. If it was, and then I actually got into BlackBerry at 21. It went up to whatever, and now it's at 25 for a few thousand. And that's the only thing that stopped me from losing, I don't know how much. But long story short, fucking market crash today. Did anybody notice that? No one's even going to talk about that? Does any of you have any fucking stocks in the stock market, in the regular stock market? God damn it. I just feel like I'm taking, I just got the alert also. Let me see if I can get an alert. Can I get an alert too? I'm feeling left out. Give me a fucking alert. Oh, geez. $12.77. I forgot to post that in. At 9:46. 9:46. $12.77. I'm just gonna post in. I'm in at 12.77. I do not know how to share my Patreon because that's just the kind of person I am. Who needs a fucking Patreon link? Not me. I'll just post into it by myself forever. Yeah, Alan. I got fucking jacked too, bro. And I had nice stuff. Like, I had, like, you know, mostly, not all blue chips, but I mean, I had some really reasonable bets. Like, I play with this for volatility, but, I mean, I don't expect my ETFs, you know, my blue chip ETFs or my, you know, my clean energy ETFs or my, you know, Johnson & Johnson or my Coca-Cola or my number of other things that I invest in. That's like a savings account for me. My Roth IRA, my Roth IRA is like a savings account. It's not even a retirement account. That's like my cash money. And I'm not trying to lose 6% on my cash. That's not my 401k through my job. My Roth IRA is my savings account, and I can't be losing 6% on my cash. Like, that will fuck me. I got bills to pay, you know? Let's go. Jesus. Does anybody ever share this? Does anybody ever share this fucking stream? So, anybody? Share? Does anybody share? Never. What was that? It's so strange. Arctic Cat Caleb. SQQ. Get it. That sounds like, I don't know what you're saying there, but we'll give it a shot. SQQ. QQQQ. Oh, it's actually S with 3 Q's. Like a goddamn psycho, huh? Pro shares ultra pro short QQQ. Oh! This is like one of those XYYs or something, right? Yeah, there's a better one. VXY? VX? XX? VXY? VX? X? Ooh, VXX went up today, didn't it? Oh yeah. There's a better one than VX. VIX. Let me see here. Best short funds like VXX. VIX. 3 VIX. VIXy. Let's look it up here. This is how you trade market volatility in Q1 2021, people. Get it together, okay? Volatility surged to the highest level since 2008. We had, okay, hold on. Today, our fucking stock market fucking tanked. Many investors have sought to profit from wild market swings like these through volatility, many of them linked to the Chicago board. VIX is real time and driving. It provides the 3 VIX ETFs ranked according to 1 year and trailing totals are VIXM, VXX, and VIXY. All 3 of these things. Which one's the triple? One is like a triple double or something. That's the one. Oh fuck. All right, so I'm looking at VXX. All right, now let's look at VIX. You want me to just pull it up? Can I just pull it up? I don't even know how to pull it up for you guys. Just it's too late. VIXM. Oh no, that one's too expensive. That one's too expensive. I'm gonna pass on that one. VIX. TVIX. Let's look up TVIX. TVIX. I'm literally gonna buy some, like, as soon as the market opens, I'm gonna buy like $500 in one of these fucking things. No doubt. No doubt. TVIX does not show up on Robinhood for me. Willy Wonka, you've been here for too long to be asking a question like that. We're looking positive. We're actually looking positive. We're still looking up. We're uptrending, y'all. Lost 200 in EXP. If the market keeps dumping, they go up. Yes, that is how they work. These volatility stocks, as the market crashes, they go up. If you had $1,000 in one of these during the market crash of 2020, you would have made like $1 million. This is Michelob Ultra. Oh, gold. Yeah. I've tried gold. It's good. It's good. I like a smooth, light beer. And I also do like lagers and fucking porters and every other goddamn thing. I guess I just like all kinds of beers now that I think about it. But when I'm drinking like a regular domestic beer, I just want something that's just smooth and light. Easy to drink. UVXY. Let's look at this one. I just can't. Okay, V. I'm not dyslexic here. This is a good one. Yeah, $14. It's shot up today. That's for damn sure. Oh my gosh. I just literally no fucking money in my goddamn Robinhood right now. I just put it all into Ethereum. I put all that money into Ethereum and now I can't buy anything else. Motherfucker. God damn it. I get so burpy when I drink these beers. What the fuck? I'll take $70 in UVXY. Why not? Not enough buying power? God damn it. $70. I'm good for it. Oh, I'm trying to type in shares. That's the problem. Buy in dollars, you dumbass. Here we go. $70 in UVXY. What else do we got? Wait a minute. Build your portfolio over time. No! It thinks I'm a day trader. XP. Is there a reliable way to pull that shit up for y'all to see? RWM Pro shares short. Up for the week. I'm going to pass on RWM. I don't know if that's a good or bad idea, but I can tell you this. They did not have much movement for today. And after today, if this kind of stock doesn't have any movement, then I'm not impressed. SRTY Pro shares. Yeah, once again, like, these guys aren't even barely up. The fucking stock market crashed today, and these guys aren't even up. So, let me see this VIX boy. VIXy. We got UVIXy, VIXy, VXX, SVXY, VIXM. Okay, let's just write this down. I'm starting to get confused. All right. UVXY, VIXY, VXX, and SVXY, and VIXM. What I'm going to do is, as soon as I make my sale on this sky the fuck rocketing shit is not even moving. We've been sitting between 1270 and 1279 since the beginning of time, and apparently, even though we're on a 2-hour buy dot, a 5-minute, 15-minute, 30-minute, 45-minute buy dots, we haven't moved more than $10 fucking dollars in an hour and a half. So this is wonderful. God damn it. Oh, thanks, Willy Wonka. I'll try that out. Those are on the Russell 2000. I don't even know what that is. I don't even know. So I appreciate the heads up on that one. Okay, so the UVXY went from 10 to 14 today, which isn't great, but it was a 31% jump. Let's just say it increased 31%. That's important. VIXY went up 20% today. That's nice. The VXX went up 17% today. SVXY went up. No, that one's out. That went down 10%. That doesn't even make sense to me. Okay. VIXM went up 7%, and you're out too. Okay. So we're looking UVXY, VIXY, and VXX. Okay. VIXY, that's the one I want. 20%. It went up 20% today. EXPI on the year. EXPI, what the fuck? You didn't hook us up with that one. Thanks for the invite on that. XEXP World Holdings for the month. We are up 40%. On the year is up 908%. That's fun. That was a $8 stock a year ago. Wow, this might still be worth investing in. Wow, it's actually still worth investing in, probably. It's actually really nice looking. They have good profit margins. Price to earnings. No? Their price is really high for their earnings, actually. Price to earnings is terrible. 334. They're a little bloated. They're a little fucking bloated on their price, if that's the case. Is ETH still dumping? It doesn't look like it. I wasn't expecting it to rally here. If you look at my movement triangle that I drew a long time ago, I was expecting it to stay inside this triangle until it breaks out hard. This would have been a little bit earlier than I was expecting, but I'm expecting it to break out hard in this realm. And the problem with that is that this is in the middle of the night. And every time we break out of a consolidation and do a conformational change in the middle of the night, it usually 80% of the time it breaks out downwards, which is really sad. Yeah, we've been trading sideways all day. You could have played this game, 1290. What is this here? You played this game? Look at this, guys. 5%. This is over 5%. This is over 5%. This is over 5%. If you traded this 3 times today, you could have made 15% on your money in one day. Imagine that. That's insane, actually. And and you guys can't see any fucking thing I'm showing you because I covered up my whole fucking thing. I'll do it again. Here we go. This is 5%, and this is 5%, and this is 5%, and you could have made 15% if you traded this 3 times today. 15% if you did it just 3 times in one day. Making 15% on your money in one day is actually really good. Should I stay in short till 1100? I don't know. Yeah, it is a coin toss. It really depends on what happens, like any moment. If we want to go over historic trends and we're bullish, no, that's wrong. If we're bullish and we're looking at trends, tell me if you see anything here. Tell me if you see anything. Does this look like a trend to you? Do you see a fucking trend here? I do. Looks like history repeats itself. Key levels to watch out for. It looks like every time we hit a new all-time high, we have a fucking sell-off like you wouldn't believe. And then we try to recover from that with a shake-off to a new all-time high with an insane sell-off, recovery, and shakeout, which we're about to do again. But as you can see, the frequency, and I don't know if that's the correct word because there's an actual physics word for the wavelength. The wavelength is shortening. You guys see that? The wavelength is shortening. And so yes, it's a bull flag after a bull flag after a bull flag, but if you look, the wavelength is shortening and the frequency is shortening, and that means at some point it's going to hit, it's consolidating to a certain point, at which point it's going to have a big conformational change. It's going to go up or down in a huge way. Look, there's not much room for it to change anymore. Like, look, we're coming to a head. Like, this happens, and like we're like, I don't know, right here, right? By mid-March, things are going to change big time. Like this, at some point we hit a line here where we either just fly up or we just say fuck it and we forget and we fall down. This will be it. It's going to be somewhere around here because it's going far, a little bit less far, a little bit less far, maybe. But either way, something happens and we end up, I don't know, by maybe mid-February. Something big change. And by big, I mean like $400 or $500 difference between either we go up 400 or we go down $400. Just to get an idea of the near future. Near future, we're in the near future. We're watching the near future right now, live, man. Fuck yeah. We're watching shitty, apparently, a shitty fucking downturn. Why does the 4 hour look like this? Holy fuck. It does not want us to go back in right now. Am I crazy? What? What in the fuck is going on here? Let's get out of the 4 hour. That one's disappointing. There's the 1 hour. It makes me much more happy. Yeah. We hit 1280 and hit that wall fucking hard. We're not moving at all. We're not getting past 1280. Look at it. It's already coming down hard. What do we got on the 3 minutes here? We got a red dot on the 3 minute. Red dot on the 5 minute. Ew. We got another 5 to 10 minutes before things take a massive change. Let's see what happens here. Yeah, guys. Ray, I believe what you're saying. Listen to me, Ray, and you're fucking right. Ethereum has been, unless you day trade and play highs and lows for 5% swings for profit all day, this is not for you. Ethereum has been absolute fucking shit to day trade. Or to like play to hold for weeks. What is it? What is our price? We're at the same price we were for weeks. We've been at the same price. We're at the same price we were. Look at this. Same price. We're going up and down. Look at this. Garbage, guys. Unless you play the ups and downs on this, this is the worst investment you could have made in the last 2 weeks. Anything else you invested in, anything, almost every stock you could have made way more. Like the stock market has been doing great for if you've done any stock research at all, you could have invested in any stock and done better than Ethereum. If all you're trying to do is buy Ethereum and hold it. For the last 2 weeks, you didn't do anything. Your money did nothing. More than 2 weeks, maybe. I don't know. I'm really sad about that, by the way, because we have a giant seesaw effect, and the seesaw effect is fucking stronger than the general growth. Then we're going to hit a bearish trend really fucking soon, and that kind of scares me. And of course we hit this massive downturn. We got a red sell dot on the 15 now. Let me look at the Heikin-Ashi. Heikin-Ashi does not look terrible. It's not good. This is, who knows what this is. Yeah. If you joined Ethereum under $1,000, then you did good. If you joined at this moment, you did fine. If you got into Ethereum under $1,000, however, your return on your investment for anything over $1,000 would be pretty shitty if you had spent weeks and weeks and you made like $100 on your money. I mean, that's not terrible to make something, but oh, fuck. There was a lot of awesome companies that had gone up 20 and 30% in the same amount of time. So I don't know, why am I playing this seriously volatile stuff when I could have just let my money sit in a number of ways and just made the same amount. Update: the markets are experiencing significant volatility and there may be increased risk. It's as important as ever to be an informed investor. Fuck you. We've received your order to buy 70 UVXY. Why don't you eat a dick? So this is another reason I don't like Robinhood, because I can't put a stop order in. And I would have put a stop order in a long time ago for, and this is one of the reasons I got to get out of Robinhood, other than the fact that I think there's hidden fees, and even if there's not, they're so like if you look at Robinhood versus like we're watching TradingView and Binance and other things, but if you look at fucking Ethereum, they're off. They're not always the same. Right now it's only off by $1, but earlier today, throughout the whole day, it was off from $5 to $10 a share all the day. And at one point I bought a share as it was going up, and I bought it for a price that was higher than was even possible on TradingView or Binance or Coinbase. And I was like, what the fuck? How did I buy a coin higher than the highest coin ever purchased within 15 minutes of that time frame? And it was like magic that I spent $10 more than I need to. Vissel, let's look up Vissel. Vislink Technologies. Up 8% for the week, 83% for the month, 121% for 3 months, 862% on the year. Holy shit, dude! If you got in, you lucky son of a bitch. I never get in anything like this. Anything like this. That's 10 times your money in a year. 10 times your money. God damn. Why can't I ever get any fucking action like that? I never get, like, where did you hear of them? Nobody tells me anything. Do you hold Lemonade? Yeah, I wanted that. I heard, like, I sold Lemonade to play with Ethereum, okay? I had Lemonade. I had probably, I probably had like $500 or $1,000 worth of Lemonade because there was a Motley Fool buy for that, like a super strong one, and I was like, okay. But then I sold it to play with Ethereum money. I don't know. Lemonade, it was up 200% in a month or 3 months. Oh yeah, I guess this past month was nothing in comparison to what happened between December and early January. 35% for the month, guys. If you invested in Lemonade, you would have done better than if you had invested in Ethereum. If you had just invested in Lemonade, who I have a hard time investing in them for a number of reasons. I'll tell you some of them. Oh yeah, here it is right here. Oh yeah, $300. January 9th, I bought it for $309. January 14th, I sold it for $318. So, what time was that? January 9th? Hey, I sold it not a bad time. I sold it when it was at a peak, probably higher than it is now. See that, guys? See, boy. Upwick. Somebody's keeping an eye on is somebody keeping an eye on the Ethereum or what? Jesus. Upwork. Yeah, Willie, I think we all did. You know what sucks though? That I had a Robinhood account and that I shared the share link with everybody on the chat for days and days and days, and nobody ever used it because I didn't get any free stocks. So I'm like, what the fuck? Tomas, it was not boring today. Look at what happened. 5 up, 5 down, 5 up, 5 down, 5 up, maybe. That's not boring. Going up and down 5% 3 times in a single day, you know, is not boring. All right. What is this? Look at this. We went plummeted. We plummeted 8%, went up 5, down 5, up 5, down 5, up 5 in one day. And that's boring? If you say so. Ugh. We still got a green buy dot on the 30-minute. Hey, the red dot on the 15 went away. Fuck yeah. We're still in, baby. We're still in. Get the fuck out of here. Where are we at? Volatile. Oh my god, it's so volatile. It's really sick. We keep talking about the moon. What does the moon look like to you guys? Describe to me what the moon is. Is the moon $2,000 a share? That's pretty moonish. It's pretty moonish, yo. Nokia went down 10% since after hours, guys. So think about that one. I gotta check that real quick. I gotta check what my Nokia. Okay, so we received your order to sell 75 shares of Nokia at the best available price. You've canceled your order to sell 74 shares of Nokia. Actually, I'd like to cancel this order. View the order. You just bought an ETH 2,000 worth. Good luck, man. No, I didn't, Jeremy. I found a way to use this for free on tradingview.com. I made this based off of, I mean, I didn't really make this. I used this template. It's a template you can download. The moon is $20 to 3070 or 0.3 to 210. Yeah, the moon for me would be like 10,000, which, you know, maybe in 4 years. We would have to get 10 times our money. You'd have to get 10 times your money. If you got in at $1,000 and it went up to 10,000, that'd be 10 times your money. That's like the moon to me. 10 times your money. If you put in 10,000, you got 100,000. That's not even 1,000 times. That's not even putting in 10,000 and getting 1,000,000, which is possible in some cases, especially with coin. But in this case, to get 10 times your money, you would need to get in at 1,000 and out at 10,000, and that doesn't even seem fucking possible. Oh, yes. Okay, I'll share it. So, this is TradingView. And I'll bring this down so you can see that. Aizen, what's up, man? Okay, so when you go to tradingview.com, you can sign up for your account, and I have 2. This one will be money freaking bracket orders on whatever that means. Meet the new generation of script alerts. They know. Okay, all right. So they let you get a free stuff, but if you want all the bells and whistles, it's going to be not free. Okay, go to tradingview.com, which I'm at. Get into your account. Boom. Go to either scripts here. You can search for the scripts that you want here as well in the search bar. Or you can go to scripts and you can look through the things that you want, like editor's pick, some of the top stuff. Moving average ones are pretty nice. The one that I'm using that looks like market cipher, like BitBoy uses, you type in cipher, CIPHER, and then you can find, this one looks fun, and yeah. Oh, one of the things you want to do is go and click free. So like up here, click on apparently it's disappeared on me. I don't know what the fuck happened. Usually there's a button here that said like open source or free. That way you don't get one where people are trying to sell it, because some of these people are trying to sell. Anyway, this one's Cipher A and B, just my mashup to mimic market cipher and A and B and kite crossing. Oh, that's cool. He does A and B in one. I actually use A and B 2 different ones, which sucks because you get a limited number of ones that you can put on your thing. Anyway, I don't know why I'm having difficulty finding it at the moment. Who remembers the name of the guy who made the cipher that we watch? Still good here. Okay, so if you look here, I have VMC cipher A. What is going on? Why can't I find this? Script VMC. Huh. What in the hell? Fu Manchu. This was the guy. Fu Manchu cipher A. Oh, and Fu Manchu cipher B. These are the two that I use. So once you click it like this, Chrome just posted my Discord, guys. Click on that. We all talk about this throughout the day. We see good price points and shit, and we point it out to each other. And I call out some good crosses and things that I'm interested in. This is Fu Manchu cipher A. So then you go down to click this, and it'll say add to favorites, and you click that. And you can pick any other scripts that you want your chart to look like. Then you go to your chart. And then you go to indicators, and then you go to your favorites, and you can just pick any one of these things. I have a few that I think are fun. And then it looks like this. Ta-da! Now you have a free market cipher. You're welcome. And you can go on my Patreon if you'd like to pay me back for that. I basically just saved you $600. You're welcome. I literally saved you $600. So you can go on the Patreon if you want. Hit it up for that. I don't even know how to give you a link. Sorry. Is ETH still dumping? It doesn't look like it. It looks like it's growing. It looks a little growy right now, which is really fucking me because I wanted to go to bed early, and now I'm like, I don't go to bed on a run like this. So here we go. 1285. I'm in Profito. Again, I'm in Profito. One of the things I like to do is watch like really short-term changes. I hate to watch the 3 and the 5, but it's one of the best ways to see some of the soonest, fastest, earliest change things that are happening. Like this was like maybe that wasn't this ended up not being anything, which is why you don't want to watch the 3, but it also gives you an idea where the top might be, closest thing to it. Awesome. Thanks for gonna check those out. Yeah, you're welcome. Give it a like and a subscribe if you like to save $600 and get a free version of. By the way, Market Cipher is between like $600 and $1,500 depending. So now you don't have to pay for it. Uh-oh, what? Chrome, uh-oh, what? Uh-oh, we're blasting off a little bit. If you were on my Patreon, you would know that I was in at 1277. I don't have any patrons yet. That's fine. We'll see. Some of y'all are going to wish that you got my day trading. Alright? Because by the way, I got all of this. I got all of that today. And all of this. Let's check out that Heikinashi here. Oh, Heikinashi, get a little blippity blip. Let's go. Oh, this is looking nice. Come on, keep going, baby. Oh yeah, baby, yeah, let's go. If only one could obtain that. You're right, dude. All right. You know what? I can't figure it out. I'm trying so hard to figure it out. I swear to God. I swear to God. I don't know how. I don't know. Hold on. If only one could. I did it. I did it. Yes. Oh, fuck. Oh, Abonnet. I mean, you could probably still buy it right now. But you've been missing out for a while. If you went on the Discord and the Patreon links that we posted above, it would have been better off for you. You'd already be 60 and more dollars up, or 20 at least if you'd started not that long ago. But I'll tell you, it's still looking pretty good. It's still got legs on it right now. It's got really nice legs on it, actually. So, yeah. $12.92. 1,300's gonna be a fucking ceiling. I probably should just put a fucking limit order at 1,300. If I watch and there's like any resistance at all, any resistance at all, and he blows them out of the water, that's what I'm gonna do. Maybe I'll set a limit order for 1,300 and then let it bounce off of 1,300 a couple of times and then buy back in after it does. I gotta have my finger on the trigger. It's a nice W. There are some nice W's, that's for sure. Good for you to asking somebody, Abonnet. The run started at 12:24 and was called out in the Discord around. Yeah? Yeah. Yeah, we've been following it all day. Actually, we've actually followed a number of runs like this on the Discord for at least a week, maybe two. I don't know how long it's been going. Chrome would know, but I'll tell you, we call these shits out multiple times a day, so they're pretty sweet. Is it breaking 1,300? Is it though? It's having a hard time breaking 1290. So one of these days I'm gonna sell a top and then I'm gonna go to bed and I'm gonna wake up in the morning and it's not gonna be the fucking top. It's gonna be the bottom, and I'm gonna hang myself. And what I'm gonna do is I'll like put on the computer. Like, I don't know how to do this, but if I could do it, I would just fucking kill you guys. I would set it up so that it goes live at 9 o'clock, but like I would be dead already. I'd just be like hanging like this, and you guys would be like, "Oh shit, he did it! Unfucking real!" It'll be awesome. Like, you guys will all have gone to the moon. I'll have missed it, and then when you come on to the next stream, it'll go live 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I'll just be hanging like this. It'll be sweet. Willy Wonka, you fucker. Willy Wonka, did you really? Dude. Oh! Willy Wonka! I'll never forget this man. I'll never fucking forget this man. Oh, you can make me cry. I'm gonna motherfucking cry right now, I'll tell you. You know, I'm a stone cold killer, but I have a heart of gold. And I will cry. I will. Not often, and not in front of men. I'm not a fucking pussy, but I'm saying, could cry over this because my heart's filled with love. Oh, man. You the man. I'm gonna say you the man, Willy Wonka. You the motherfucking man. Fuck yeah, you are. Dude, I just made it today. I wasn't even sure if I was gonna do it. Some people had said on the chat that they thought there might be a good reason to support a content creator who is as stupid as me, and I was like, I guess. I told them at the time, I was like, you know, I don't feel like I need. How long have you been in crypto? So I was in XRP pretty hard a year ago for my fucking. I don't want to go into XRP. Long story short is XRP has fucked me. I was in Dogecoin, and Elon Musk made that pretty sweet. I don't know how long ago that was. I was in I don't know, just about a year ago. I wasn't talking about crypto on this channel until a few weeks ago, but like I do gaming and shit, and I play that online. But I always did a little bit of trading stocks and a little bit of crypto, but not altcoins. I don't get into altcoins, and I wish I could. I fucking get into altcoins. I just can't. In America, you just cannot do it without using a VPN, which I'm not going to do. I was in Tron. What is Tron? Oh, that was another altcoin. Chrome, you promised you would Patreon me if I started one. Chrome, don't disappoint me. You're my dog. If I could have got into altcoins right now, I would probably buy some Polkadot and Cardano ADA. Probably would have got some what's the list of other fun ones to get right now. Basically, I like to look at ones that people are starting to buzz about. Like, the buzz drives prices up, guys. There's no doubt about it. Like, the prices of things skyrocket when their buzz goes up. They're so closely tied to buzz. You have to pay attention to the buzz. The only way you can do that is if you watch a lot of social media that is based around Bitcoin. Like, you have to follow Twitter. You got to look at hashtags. You got to follow like 10 YouTubers that all talk about coins all day. And then when you hear the buzz, they're all buzzing. Dude, they were all buzzing. Like, okay, shit. Now I got to get in on it because they're talking about it. DAI. Everyone was talking about DAI last week. What happened? Is this one of those ones that is only supposed to stay at $1? I don't understand why, if I like this or not. Is the point of this, I put this in as like a savings account that doesn't actually have any value increase? What the fuck? Why would I want to do that? I can do that in my bank. People were talking about Maker. People were talking like the shit out of Maker. Yeah, it's doubled in price in a month. That's fun. People were talking about Dash. Not doing well. Yeah, Chainlink, Polkadot. Chainlink. Sorry about this. Let me get this thing closed here. Oh, not that one. This one. Thank you. 22.75 in the week. Broken even. No, we're up 6%. In the month, up 85%. That's nearly 100%. That's nice. What about in the 1 year? Look at that. 700%. Who's the dumbass that didn't invest in this when it was $2? What dumbass? You all didn't invest in this last year at $2? You missed out. You could have got 10 times your money. Fuck. You fucking son of a bitch. What's the other one that everyone's talking about? Why can't I feel like I'm not seeing it. Is Dot not even on here? Dot's not even on here, is it? It's not even fucking on here. What is this? What kind of garbage is this? Goddamn Coinbase. Look at us fucking taking off like a G. 1293 is giving us some resistance, huh? Thought on PayPal crypto management. I'm pumped. I think. I want Tesla to, like, I want Elon Musk to get involved with something, and then I'll go in on that hard. I'll be like, I'm going to show you guys a little trick that I like to do. And the trick is called What I Would Do. You did the same with naked. Yeah, Teru, we were all talking about that for a while. All right, if you weren't here earlier, we would have been talking about it, which is there was a group that got together and decided to have a conversation about how they thought they could consolidate all of their power, all their money together, and invest in stocks and reap benefits from it. Oof. We got a little first bite out here. Give me a second. Let's get fucking real. Hit a little peeky peek. 1290 is topping us off a little bit, it looks like. Anyway. I don't want to miss this because I could make $10 a share right now and just walk away and be fine. But look at this run. Look at this run. You can't reverse it that quick. Anyway, there was a group. They all decided to Ishmael. No, we're not all buying right now. We're all waiting for the point at which we're going to sell. And if you'd come here earlier, or was on our Discord, or was on my Patreon, you would have been able to buy in here or here. Actually, the last time I bought in was here. I buy in. Have you set a limit order, Scott? You can't set a stop order. And by the way, a limit order is what the 1300 limit order I was talking about, or are you talking about like a stop order for a sell? So a limit order, when you're selling and you're at, let's say you're at 1280, you set a limit order for 1300, it'll sell if it hits 1300. Robinhood doesn't have stop orders for Ethereum, which I would do. I would set a stop order for 1285 or 1284 if I could, but I can't. I am guessing 1300 is going to be a really hard ceiling that we're going to hit and bounce off of pretty hard, and it'd be good to sell at that point if we do bounce off of it pretty hard. Plus, we're kind of extended because we've had like this really nice run, and these kinds of really nice runs do not last forever. This is already 5% over 4 hours. That's actually, I mean, we've seen better runs, but they're not common. It's not super common to get a run for more than 6%. Dogecoin? No, it's not. Dude, it was like 0.07 or some stupid shit earlier. Guys, give a like and subscribe so that I can get more exposure with the YouTube algorithm. Dogecoin. Let's look at that. Let's look that shit up real quick. Doge is up 0.082. The fuck? Blowing up on Doge. I think I have a sell order for at a penny on Doge. Doge, yeah, it fucking ran up. It went from 77 to 83. If that's a run. 7% in an hour. That's nice. Recovered the whole loss for the last 24 hours, which is actually really nice. Your tears for another day. Am I selling my Nokia shares in the morning or not?
Am I selling my Nokia shares or no? Somebody tell me.
Chrome, you liked and subscribed. Why don't you like and subscribe my Patreon, sir? You said you would. I'm not gonna beg. I mean, I will fucking beg if I have to, but I'm not going to. Okay. And you wouldn't be first anymore, brother, because RG Willy Wonka the man hooked it up. He was number one. I'll never forget that, man, because he did something so great for me today. We are having a hard time getting past 1290. Broke that trend line. What trend line? That trend line? Yeah, we did. Broke the shit out of it. No, yeah, we broke out of it, guys. New thing is happening. Maybe. I mean, if we pull down real quick right now, then maybe not. Probably should have wait, can I control Z that? Did I? No, I missed it. Cannot control Z that shit. What the fuck? My triangle's gone forever. 5 minute buy. Uh-oh. 5 minute buy. What? No. What? Oh, Jesus Christ, no. Please. That's been a really tough 10 minutes. According to Haikanashi, I should not sell unless I hit another, at least one more red, maybe two. I would have lost another few dollars by then, maybe. God damn it. Hard, tough choices. Do I sell the Nokia or not? People, tell me, am I selling Nokia? What am I doing with my Nokia? Am I going to cancel? I had set up a sell because we were getting fucked by all these regulatory bodies and things. Regulatory bodies were coming hard on the Wall Street bets people. Alan Hip, very nice. Good. That's really nice. In Australia, which is on the opposite side of the world. So you, and how cool is it that you're fucking hanging out with us from the opposite side of the world right now? You guys have a lot of deadly animals. A lot of deadly animals.
naked? Oh, are you keep talking about naked. What the fuck are we talking about naked for?
Whoa, why is that so expensive? And so cheap, but so expensive back here. What the fuck? What is this? What the fuck happened there? How do you go from 22,000? Look at this. The fall of the century. Thank me later. Got in at 27 cents. So you quadrupled your money or quintupled your money. You lucky son of a bitch. What the fuck is this? What is this? Alright, let's put some dollars into this fucking thing. Who cares? I'll gamble 50 bucks on this. I'll gamble 50 bucks on this thing. Naked. Oh, it's getting worse. I'm probably going to bail out real quick on this. $12.80. A damn $12.80. God damn it. Only 3. It's not that I don't think we can keep running, because I think we can keep running, and I think we will keep running, possibly. But the problem is that we're starting to get pretty late into the evening, and you know how I feel about trading at 1 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. This isn't going to run up through the night. Dude, there's no purchase power. Half of Europe and half of America is asleep. You're not going to have enough purchase power to run this bitch up. Yeah, this is not good. This is not no bueno, guys. I mean, I'm not saying it can't turn around, like I said. I'm just saying that I pulled out a bit there just so that I can feel safe about maybe cutting it off soon. Maybe hitting the hay, like I said, and then when it goes up to 10,000 overnight, then tomorrow's stream, as soon as it goes live at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, I'm going to be like hanging. And it's just, that's going to be a wrap. It's going to be great. Bro! I'm not joking though. I mean, I might be I'm joking because I have kids and I have to live for them, but I don't wanna. You know what I'm saying? I don't wanna. What do we talk about? Naked? I forgot about buying naked. The bomb will drop, but the cherry will blossom. I am needing to understand what you're telling me. Maybe you can tell me what you're telling me in regular words for stupid people. Please, please, please. Naked. Okay, let's get ourselves some naked. Naked. 100 bucks? 50 bucks? What did I say I would buy? Chainlink is mooning? I just looked at that today. It didn't look like it was mooning. Well, we went $20 to $22. This does not look like mooning. I mean, it could be, but it's hard to say there.
Does this look like it's mooning? Let's see the 1 hour. I don't know if that's mooning. Yeah, I don't know. You still gotta... I don't know, guys. We could still fight through this. We still could. I would miss out on all those gains. By buying meth. It's ETH. I'm going to share with you guys a post that I did on my Patreon when I said to buy in at 12:42 at 7:44 p.m. And then you can see how fucking serious I really am. Eat that. Eat that. What I need to add is like a really nice thumbnail to my shit so that people will like think I'm more interesting than I am. So then, you know, clickbait and all that shit. Maybe really sell myself instead of just not even trying at all. 431 subscribers. Did you post it on Discord? Did I post what on Discord? Did I post my Patreon? No, I did not. Oh, 740. Let's see. 12:42 at 7:44. I don't think so. I don't know. I was half and half today. This is, like I said, like today. Today I did this. Today I bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here. I pretty much did that all day today. I talked about it a little bit on the Discord, but I put probably my actual trade information on Patreon. Like on the Discord I would say, oh, you know, hey, there's a nice transition, and I might or might not have bought, but if but I put my buys on Patreon. I'm not sure if I put all my buys on Discord. This is not a good trend. We are looking worse. I'm glad we sold. I'm glad we sold. Let me get another G. Oh, yes. Guys, I want to see somebody on my Patreon, please. It's only $5. It's only $5. And I want to show my wife. And I really want to show my wife and just really rub it in her face. I want to rub it in her face and say, look, honey, talking all that shit, people do like me. So you are wrong. You dumb bitch. See if she's listening. Yeah. I'll call her a dumb bitch to her face. She's not listening. No Patreon link in the description of what? Ebony? In the description of this video? Can we do that? I don't know how to until after the video is completed, and I can't. Can I edit the description when I'm in the middle of a live stream? You tell me. I don't fucking know. Ebony, I just put it in the chat. It's in the live chat. It's literally three little things above your last chat. It's right there. Been sitting on 1,000 shares of SNDL. Let's look at some SNDL then. Let's look at some fucking SNDL. Then. Hold on, let me check to see if my naked purchase went through. What are we gonna gamble with? $100? $50? What's a good bet on something I don't give a shit about? OnlyFans? Dude, I'll give you the OnlyFans for free. Here it is. Wham. Hit the gym, boys. That's my OnlyFans. I don't know. Did you hear about Reddit partnering with Ethereum? I just heard about it earlier tonight when we were on chat, and I did not know about it, and I haven't looked it up. So let's look it up. Let's see here. Reddit partner. Okay, fills it out. Reddit links scaling tech partnerships with the Ethereum Foundation. It's got its own thread, for fuck's sake. Guess what? Reddit has a subreddit where they talk about their partnership. Unbelievable. Why do I have this up? Down. Reddit announces partnership with Ethereum Foundation. Hello, Ethereum World Reddit admin. Who gives a fuck here? With some exciting news to share, Reddit has teamed up with the Ethereum Foundation to establish Reddit's first ever blockchain partnership. As Reddit continues to grow with more than 50 million daily users and hundreds of thousands of communities, the platform has long maintained a decentralized ethos by empowering users to create, govern, and grow their communities. Through this partnership, we will be increasing commitment to blockchain, accelerating scaling and resources for the Ethereum ecosystem, and bringing the value and abundance of blockchain technology to millions of Redditors. In many ways, this collaboration started with the scaling back how we house it in this community with the Ethereum Foundation. In this new stage of our partnership, immediate efforts will be focused on bringing Ethereum to Reddit scale production. I don't want to keep reading that fast. It hurts. It hurts. Well, it sounds good. It sounds real good. Is that, I don't know, is that being reflected in the price jump? You would think that if Reddit posted something like that, that this shit would be blowing up today. All right, I got 50 in the queue for naked. Who said that? Who said that? Who said naked? Because I want to make sure to remember in case I make $1 million. I'm gonna toss you a bone. Well, you won't need it. You'll be rich. You'll be fucking rich, richer than be Richie rich. Yeah, I'm not giving you shit then. Fucking rich bastard. So, in some, I'm going to download Webull. I think a buddy of mine started using Webull and he really recommended it to me. So I'm just going to see. I'm going to use his link though. I'm going to try and find. Okay, I'm not going to install it until I have his link. Dogecoin. Dude, I've been into Dogecoin. I have not gotten rid of it. I have probably $200 worth of Dogecoin. How did I buy naked? I did it on Robinhood. What was the other thing we're gonna do? Vixie. What did we say we were gonna do? Vixie. Oh yeah, I'm gonna buy me some Vixie. What? How much? $500? $500 of Vixie right now. Right fucking meow. Done. Vixie ordered. Goodbye to your money, fuckface. Okay. Up 14%. Vixie's up 20% in a day, guys. Today. Up 20% one day. Vixie. Check it out. Look, if the stock market gets worse, that shit's gonna skyrocket. If it doesn't, then it won't, but Zek. Oh, I don't know. I tried to buy it on Vixie. That's right. That's right. VIXY. That is a bet that the stock market is volatile. And guys, in case you didn't know it, the American stock market crashed today. Practically, it's not a big crash, but like across the board, like everything dropped like 3 to 6%, like crazy. It was really strange. Why don't I ever see anybody drinking on a stream? Why don't I, is it illegal? Should I not be doing that? Should I not be drinking on stream? Is that like the most perfect way to not get monetized? Is that what that is? I don't know what it is. Ivan on tech says ignore the dump. Buy the dip. BitBoy double down on Ethereum. Reddit's doubling down on Ethereum. Everyone's going crazy. We're hyped up. Hype is good. Hype is good. If I wasn't on Robinhood, I'd set a buy order for 1301. And if we broke through 1301, I would buy it. On Robinhood, if you set a buy order for 1301, you'll just buy it if you're under it. But in other apps, you can set a different option for it, where it only buys it if it passes 1301. It did Dogecoin? Is Dogecoin still going? I think I have a... Hey, 90! Shit, yeah, it is flying up, huh? What the fuck? Alright, let's check Elon Musk's Twitter feed. Oh, I can't open Twitter anymore. Close app. Twitter keeps stopping. Why is it stopping? Fucking Twitter closes as soon as it opens. What the fuck? LOL. ... Yeah, I don't know how Oh, fuck. That beer, you know what I'm saying? That fucking beer is got a lot of carbonation in it, and XB splits in 2 days. Bruh, shut up. Willie, don't give me that. Holy shit. What is Robinhood's being overwhelmed on its server? Yeah, it is. This is, I don't know what's happening. Like, the investments situation across the board is getting crazy. It's getting fucked up for everywhere. TD Ameritrade, Robinhood, all these apps, like all of Coinbase, all of crypto stuff, stock stuff, the stock market crashed today. Like, everything seems to be crazy right now. I'm burpy. Both ends. Everyone calm down. Biden orders end of federally run private prisons. Biden orders end of federally run private prisons. That almost seems like something you would say if you were trying to, like, do a tongue-tied thing. Biden orders end of federally run private prisons. Doge. First of all, no, KB. That wasn't, no. That was just it was a chair. It was a chair. Dogecoin is doggy coin, and it drives me nuts that people call it Dogecoin, because why? There's no reason you would ever call it that. First of all, like, you would never pronounce it that way if it was just a word and it didn't have a dog as the word represents a dog, and it has the word dog in the word, and so you would never not say dog in the word, because that makes no sense. Injirev, Pokastad, Bishal, KB, Levis, Allen. Is it Levis? Levi's? That was fucked up. Like, I thought... I wanted to end it on that and just like keep a straight face and not like move and see how long I could do that without cracking, and I didn't. I didn't last very long, but I was like trying so hard. I was like looking at myself and just like trying to freeze as long as I could. It was, oh my God. Yeah, KB, they fucked me too. I was trying to claim profits on the shit that had jumped up because of the Wall Street bets shit that was going on. And I was going in on Nokia, AMC, and BB, and I hit profits, and then I went to sell, but I couldn't, and then I had to watch it go all the way down into a loss, and I was so fucking pissed. I'm still pissed about that. I feel like they fucked me. I feel like they fucked millions of people out of millions of dollars, and somebody should pay the price. $1993, Magic the Gathering, Alpha Black Lotus, PSA 10, signed, sells on eBay for $511,000. Holy shit. $511,000 on a goddamn... Wait a minute, somebody just posted Naked Brand on this Robinhood stock market watch list, huh? Somebody on my Facebook stock watch list just posted about Naked. Was that one of you in the chat? Somebody's talking about still going hard on AMC and Nokia tomorrow. Alright, fuck it. Let's gamble. Let's fucking gamble. I'm gonna not sell my Nokia like an idiot. Fuck it. Let's go. Let's go. Canceled. Order canceled. Market selling Nokia. Canceled. Fuck it, let's go. Yeah, looks like we had a good sell. Looks like we had a good sell. I'm feeling good about that. And if I come back tomorrow morning and we went up to, 1350, no big deal. If we go to 1400 though, it's gonna be, hanging myself. I did go hard on VIX, so I'm happy to make $1 million on it. I want to make money, people. I need it, because I want to quit my job. I do, just like the rest of you. I want to fucking quit my job. I want to do this and hang out with people full fucking time. That's all I want to do. I want to just hang out with you guys and watch Ethereum like 24 hours a day. That's what I would do. I would get up early. I would watch all of my shit that I need to watch, like, the YouTubers, the professionals, the news, whatever. Then I would get on and I would stream for like 8 hours straight, and I would talk about all the things that I learned, all the trends, all the hype, all that shit. And I can't do that without your help, people. Copy the link. I'm gonna post it one last time. One more time. I got one more. Okay, guys, guess what? I just want to say one more thing. I want to say one more thing. You guys fucking give me a thumbs up. And I get like 100% thumbs up. No thumbs down. I'll get like 100 thumbs up and none. No, like 0 thumbs down. That's 100%. That's really fucking awesome. I don't know if that's awesome. It seems awesome to me. I think it is. Oh, guys, I don't know. Have you guys not been watching and paying attention? We sold. I said we were at like 1282 probably when we sold. I think. I don't know. post it in the Patreon, which I do all throughout the day. I post information on the Patreon throughout the day, but I only do this from 9 to 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and apparently an additional hour and a half if we're on a bully march. But I'm gonna bail for the night, guys. It's fucking 12:36 here. I gotta work in the morning. I gotta work. Yeah, hit the thumbs up button twice. 3 times for a lady. I quit my job last year. KB, that's awesome. Congratulations. I'm fucking jealous. I'm jealous. And I have a good ass job. I have a good ass job. I make good ass money and I get to work from home and nobody, and like, I pretty much get to work at my own pace, doing shit that I know, and I make decent money at it. And so I have a fucking good ass job. But to be honest, I want to watch more anime. I think, I don't know. I want to maybe spend more time teaching my son baseball. That might be fun. All right. I'm peacing out, guys. I love it. Thank you for showing up. We'll see